This Chevy is in pristine condition. Yeah, the chrome is impeccable. And look at those headlights. Look at that shine. A real beauty. Absolutely. They don't make them like this anymore.
Wow, so smooth.
Welcome back to Motor Talk, the channel where we explore classic legends, modern machines, and everything that makes the automotive world exciting. On this channel we talk about car history, detailed reviews, specifications, features, and the stories behind some of the most iconic vehicles ever built. Today's video is about one of the most beloved classic American pickup trucks ever made, the 1949 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. This truck represents the beginning of a new design era for Chevrolet and is still admired by collectors, restorers, and classic truck enthusiasts all over the world. The 1949 Chevrolet 3100 was part of Chevrolet's Advanced Design Truck series, which was produced from 1947 to 1955. These trucks were revolutionary for their time because they combined durability, comfort, and a more modern design compared to earlier pickup trucks. The 1949 model stood out with its rounded body lines, larger cab, and improved visibility for drivers. Chevrolet designed this truck to be practical for workers but also comfortable enough for everyday driving. Starting with the exterior design, the 1949 Chevrolet 3100 has a very recognizable and timeless look. The front of the truck features a bold chrome grille with horizontal bars, large round headlights integrated into the fenders, and a strong hood design that gives the truck a confident stance. The curved fenders and smooth body panels make the truck look both rugged and stylish. The truck bed is spacious and often came with wooden floor panels supported by metal strips, which gave it a classic vintage appearance that many restorers still try to preserve today. Moving to the interior, the cabin of the 1949 Chevrolet 3100 was simple but functional. It featured a wide bench seat that could comfortably fit up to 3 passengers. The dashboard design was clean and straightforward with large analog gauges that were easy to read while driving. The steering wheel was large and thin, typical for vehicles of that era, giving the driver good leverage when turning the truck. While it did not include modern technology like digital displays or advanced infotainment systems, the interior design reflected practicality and durability, which was exactly what truck owners needed at the time. Under the hood, the 1949 Chevrolet 3100 was powered by a reliable inline 6-cylinder engine commonly known as the stovebolt engine. This engine had a displacement of around 216 cubic inches and produced approximately 90 horsepower. While that number might seem small compared to modern trucks, it was more than enough for the tasks this pickup was designed for, including hauling equipment, transporting goods, and everyday rural work. The engine was known for its reliability and simple mechanical design, which made maintenance easier for owners. The truck typically came with a 3-speed manual transmission that delivered power to the rear wheels. This setup provided solid performance for a work truck and allowed drivers to control power efficiently while carrying loads. The suspension system used leaf springs, which helped the truck handle heavy cargo and rough roads. The braking system used drum brakes on all 4 wheels, which was standard for vehicles during that time period. When it comes to features, the 1949 Chevrolet 3100 focused more on durability and usability rather than luxury. However, for its era it still offered several useful features. The truck had a larger cab compared to earlier models, which improved driver comfort and legroom. The windshield design improved visibility and safety. The cargo bed was strong and spacious, allowing the truck to carry a variety of materials and equipment. The simple mechanical systems also meant that many owners could repair and maintain the truck themselves. Now let's talk about the price. When the 1949 Chevrolet 3100 was first released, the starting price was roughly around $1,200 to $1,400 US depending on the configuration and optional features. At that time this price made it an affordable and practical truck for farmers, small business owners, and workers across the United States. Today the value of this classic truck varies widely depending on its condition, originality, and restoration quality. A well-preserved or fully restored 1949 Chevrolet 3100 can sell anywhere from around $25,000 to more than $60,000 in the classic car market. Rare custom builds or perfectly restored showroom examples can sometimes sell for even higher prices. Collectors love this truck because it represents an important moment in automotive history. It marked a transition toward more comfortable and stylish pickup trucks while still maintaining the toughness that work vehicles required. Many enthusiasts also customize these trucks with modern engines, upgraded suspensions, and improved interiors while keeping the original vintage look. Even after more than 7 decades, the 1949 Chevrolet 3100 remains a symbol of American craftsmanship and classic truck design. Its combination of durability, simple engineering, and timeless style has allowed it to remain popular among collectors, restorers, and vintage vehicle fans. Whether you see one restored to its original factory condition or modified into a custom show truck, this pickup always stands out and attracts attention wherever it goes. If you enjoyed learning about this legendary classic truck and want to see more car reviews, automotive history, and detailed vehicle breakdowns, make sure you support the channel. Subscribe to Motor Talk and stay connected for more exciting automotive content in future videos.